Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the delicious world of farm fresh holiday classics. We're talking about those timeless dishes like roasted turkey, succulent ham, and all the festive trimmings, but with a twist using homegrown, farm fresh ingredients. Let's get started. First up, the star of almost any holiday table, the roasted turkey. There's something magical about a turkey that's been raised without any antibiotics or hormones, and it really shines through in the flavor. Start by prepping your bird with a simple brine of water, salt, sugar, and a mix of fragrant herbs like rosemary and thyme. Let it soak overnight to ensure every bite is juicy and flavorful. When it's time to roast, stuff the cavity with farm fresh onions, garlic, and lemon for that extra zesty kick. Pop it in the oven and let the aromas fill your kitchen. Next, let's talk ham. A beautifully glazed ham is a holiday staple, and it's even better when the pork comes straight from a local farm. I love making a sweet and tangy glaze using farm fresh honey, Dijon mustard, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. Score the ham, brush on the glaze, and bake it to perfection. The result? A mouth-watering caramelized exterior that pairs perfectly with the tender meat inside. But what about the sides? Farm fresh vegetables can elevate your holiday dishes to a whole new level. Think roasted Brussels sprouts with a drizzle of balsamic glaze, sautéed green beans with garlic and lemon, or creamy mashed potatoes made from freshly dug spuds. The key is to let the natural flavors of the produce shine through. And let's not forget dessert. How about a classic apple pie using farm fresh apples? There's nothing like the taste of apples that have ripened on the tree. Mix them with cinnamon, nutmeg, and a touch of brown sugar, then bake in a flaky, homemade crust. Trust me, your guests will be coming back for seconds. So there you have it, farm fresh holiday classics that are sure to make your celebrations extra special. Not only do these dishes taste amazing, but you're also supporting local farmers and getting the freshest, healthiest ingredients possible. Give these recipes a try and let me know how they turn out in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy holidays.